Hey guys, so if you have the Amana washer and it's not draining, the one thing that you can try to do, something that I found on Reddit, is that this person wrote here that top load Amana washing machine not draining. Just thought I share my daily good news about saving money and learning. A washing machine was not draining, but it was spinning. An internet search indicated there was likely something stuck in a water drain pump. I removed the body to reveal the pump, drained the machine with buckets and wet drive shop wag. I found nothing in the pump intake, but decided to check the pump exit pipe, and sure enough there was a small article of clothing. So check your pump. If there is anything, the pump exit pipe, hold the pipes. If you have anything there, if it's not draining, maybe you're gonna find something. So I just want to make this quick video for you what you can try to do. Maybe it's going to be helpful. If not, then I'm sorry. I always try to look for the quick advice and effective one. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye.